Today we are working on Excel Lesson 4, the final lesson in Lesson 4, removing conditional formatting. In the last lesson we learned how to do conditional formatting. Today in this lesson you're going to learn how to remove it using the Rules Manager. So select cells B3 to B23. You can see there is conditional formatting in all of these cells. Then on the Home tab in the Styles group, click Conditional Formatting. Then click Manage Rules. In the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager dialog box, select the bottom rule, which is cell value greater than 10,000 and 12,000, and click Delete Rule. So once you click it, you can see it's highlighted, and then click right here, Delete Rule, and then click OK. And you can see that that formatting went away. There's no more of those blue. Remove conditional formatting using the Clear Rules option. So another way to do it, so make sure those cells are selected. On the Home tab in the Styles group, click Conditional Formatting, and then click Clear Rules, and then select Clear Rules from selected cells. And you can see that all conditional formatting has been removed. So there's two different ways to do the same thing. So submit, and this completes removing conditional formatting.